Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kulur Krishnayar from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 18th April 2025, 5th month, day of Chitra Masam, Friday, Vishwa Vasu Nama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Vasandarado, Chitra Masam, that is Mesha Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tidhi up to 2:25 p.m. Panjami, then Shashti. Bhriguvasaram, that is Friday, Nakshatram, Ketai, then Moolam Nakshatram. Today's Rahugalam, 10:30 to 12 noon, Yamagandam, 3 to 4:30 p.m., Guliyagalam, 7:30 to 9 a.m., Good time, 6 to 7:30 a.m., then 5 to 6 p.m. Today's sunrise in local, 6:04 a.m., Chandrashtam for Rishabha Rashi. Today Shashti Varaha Jayanti.